Look at us standing here this morning on Villa Z by Cork Oak Mansion. Today we're so lucky to be spending the whole day here, and we're going to show you the most beautiful villa that they're building in Alto de Valderrama in Sotogrande. My name is Inin from Open Frontiers Real Estate, and today you're in for a true treat. As you can see, we're on the top of Villa Z with stunning views. We find ourselves in Sotogrande, 30 minutes away from Marbella and 20 minutes up the coast from Gibraltar. Sotogrande is a stunning private residential community in the south of Spain with everything you can need. In Alto de Valderrama in particular, within Sotogrande, some of the most renowned houses in the area have been built, such as the Cartier House and now Villa Z by Cork Oak Mansion. And it's not the first, in fact, that the developer has put here. It's the third, and they're so close to completion, and I absolutely adore this villa for so many reasons that I'm going to tell you all about today. As you can see, I'm stood on the roof of Villa Z early in the morning, and the sunrise is incredible. This villa is a 6-bedroom villa on a 2,300 meters square plot, and it's got a built area of 1,230 meters. It's got so much, and I'm so ready to show you everything this villa has. From interior pool, exterior pool, it's just surrounded by water. And Cork Oak Mansion is very careful to ensure that they use fully sustainable methods. What does this mean? That this house is actually 100% renewable energy powered. They've used geothermal technology and solar panels that will be placed right on this roof. On top of that, all the flora that's been planted around the house is local and low maintenance, which means you've got this to enjoy all day long without having to worry about anything else. So let me show you. We're now on the top livable floor of this house, and the official name of this house is actually the Cork Oak Mansion number 95. However, everyone calls it Villa Z because from far away you can truly appreciate that it looks like a Z, which to me is absolutely incredible. And this is all thanks to architect Fran Silvestre, renowned Spanish architect, and in fact mentioned by Forbes as one of the most influential architects of this time. So watch him, because he is giving some massive booms in the industry, and this villa in particular is one of his beautiful designs. So this is the top sort of living floor, where you've got the bedrooms right in front of me, and again the light coming in this morning is stunning, and you can just see that the light hits absolutely every part of the house, which I truly love. And then another beautiful aspect that you've got here is this whole terrace space, right? But underneath me is going to be a water mirror. What does this mean? That there's space for about 20-30 centimeters of water, which is going to be halfway through this terrace. And believe me, summer in Sotogrande, who doesn't appreciate water everywhere, right? And as we continue here, we've got 3 bedrooms, all 3 en suite, and we've actually got the master also, which is where we're going towards now. Next to the master, they've got sort of a multi-purpose space that you can use either as a 4th bedroom, or you can turn it into an extension of the master, be it an office space, an extension of wardrobe, whatever you want, living area, it's all available. Here we're at the landing of the top floor, giving you access to all the bedrooms. Over there we've got the preparation for the lift shaft, so this house is fully luxurious with everything you can need. And as we continue this way, here we've got the multi-purpose space that we said that you can turn into a wardrobe or a living room for the master bedroom, or even a spare bedroom should you need it. And as we continue down, here we have the bathroom of the master bedroom. Can you imagine taking a shower here in the morning with this stunning view? But the best is yet to come. The master bedroom of Villa Z. I mean, look at the size of this space. It's absolutely incredible. And for me, waking up here to this sunrise view every morning is 100% worth it. I mean, who wouldn't be happy waking up to this, right? And here we have the main entrance to Villa Z. This is the main door that would lead you onto this floor, which has all your living space and all the things you can need. So down here we've got the stairs leading to the basement. And in the basement, the first thing you are greeted by is the bar area. The bar area is completely cladded against the wall, and it's a multi-purpose area that you can turn into anything you need. On this level, we've also got a bathroom, and then as you continue down the floor, you've got the gymnasium, and you're greeted then by the indoor pool and sauna. Completely open shower and another bathroom, so it's fully equipped to enjoy life in Sotogrande and Villa Z. As I said, on this floor, you've got all your living spaces, right? So this is the entrance with the sort of formal living area. And then we come here, and then here we've got the TV area with another living room area where you can enjoy as a family and just completely enjoy life. And then here we've got the open plan kitchen with the living room, and it's just a big open space with lots of natural light. The whole thing is going to be glass, and I absolutely love the design of Cork Mansion. The interior is kept very sort of serene, neutral colors, and it just gives such a beautiful feel. So here's going to be your kitchen with the full island and big open space, sort of more a social kitchen, you know, where you have time with friends, where you cook as a family. And then in here, this has been prepared for the chef's kitchen. So this is where you would do all the dirty work that you don't want your guests to see and that you just want out of the way of sort of the main living space. And as we come in here, we've got the office. The office is this beautiful space. All this is going to be glass. Again, the view's absolutely stunning. And on the left of the house, or my left, we've got the garage, which actually has to be noted that has a very soft slanting slope. So it doesn't matter how low your cars are, you can get in. It's got a big space with a window letting into this living area. And then that way down the house, you've got the laundry room, you've got the space for staff, and you've got the cinema room. So you have absolutely everything on this floor to sort of enjoy, and where you're going to be doing a lot of your living. As we come down, this is all terrace space. They're going to completely deck out this area. So you do have garden all around because, as we mentioned, it's quite a big plot. And we come here as well to the pool. Again, all the views from the living space straight out over Sotogrande to the Mediterranean Sea and this morning sunshine. To me, this house is absolutely fantastic. I love the design. I love the amenities that it has. The water features. It's just a brilliant space. And again, the location is incredible. Alto de Valderrama in Sotogrande. This was Villa Z by Cork Mansion. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you need more information, please don't hesitate to contact us at Open Frontiers Real Estate in Sotogrande. Thank you very much.